Good morning, students. I welcome you all to Social Science Vidyapeeth channel. As you know that this is our second channel. Earlier, many videos were uploaded in our first channel, Social Science with NK sir, and my team is very glad for your appreciation messages which you have sent for our good teaching materials and other important information which are available of social science for your class. Many videos were uploaded for your Term 1 exam from class 6 to 12 social science in social science with NKSR channel. As you requested, sir, we need some more videos, teaching materials, and some our extra questions of our chapter. So this channel is prepared by my team, so that it will be helpful for your Term 2 exam. And we expect that that you subscribe this social science Vidyapeeth channel along with social science with NKSR channel, because as you know, every day many videos that are uploaded by my team which are very helpful, which are very informative for your class, and for different person can see those videos of educative different educational and informative videos. So today my team is ready to record the video of the natural vegetation and wildlife chapter of class 9 geography. So if you subscribe the channel, you can get the instant notification of the newly added videos. Okay. I hope you all are ready to write the answer of the today's questions of class 9 geography, natural vegetation and wildlife. So as I always suggest, you should sit with one notebook and copy, so that you can evaluate yourself how much you understood this chapter. So I hope you all are ready. So shall we start now? So the first questions of this chapter is our country India is one of the 12 dense countries of the world. Densely populated, economically developed, mega biodiversity, and none of the above. Okay. So I hope you all must have written the right answer. So the right answer of this question is mega diversity. Our country India is one of the 12 mega diversity countries of the world. So those who have written right answer, you can give 1 mark for yourself. Moving towards the next question. What place does the India hold in the world in plant diversity? And your options are 5th, 4th, 6th and 10th. So India hold in the world in plant diversity 10th place. Okay. Moving toward the next question, what are amphibians? Animals that can live both on land and in water, animals that can live in water, animals that can live on the land, and none of this. And the right answer is animals who can live in both land and water. Moving toward the next question, what is the large ecosystem on the land having a distinct type of vegetation and animal life called as fauna, bioreserve, biosphere and biome? And the right answer is biome. Okay. Tropical rainforests are found in the areas where rainfall is between dash, and your options are 200 centimeter to 70 centimeter, 200 to 100 centimeter, 200 centimeter and above, and 100 centimeter and 17 centimeter. The right answer is tropical rainforests are found in the areas where rainfall is 200 centimeter and above. Okay. So I hope most of you have got the full marks. Till now we have completed 5 questions. So those who are missed to write the correct answer of any question, so as I always inform you, you all should read from the inside of the chapter the topics which are there. You should read the topics, so that it will helpful for you to answer the questions which are prepared from every topic. Okay. So moving toward the next question, question number 6. What is the use of the Sarpagandha? Your options are: it is used to treat blood pressure, it is used for controlling diabetes, it is used to regulate blood pressure, and it is used as a cure for eye sores. And the right answer is it is used to treat blood pressure. Moving toward the next question, when was the Wildlife Protection Act implemented in India? Your options are 1968, 1966, 1972 and 1979. And the right answer is 1972. So in this year, the Wildlife Protection Act implemented in India in 1972. Okay, very important. I hope you all must write down the answer of this question. How many biosphere reserves have been set up in the country to protect flora and fauna? Your answer is, your options are 5th, 16, 17, 18. The right answer is 18 biosphere reserves have been set off in the country to protect flora and fauna. When was the program of biosphere reserve initiated by UNESCO? Your options are 1976, 1975, 1971 and 1977. And the right answer is 1971. Where is Jim Corbett National Park located in India? Your options are Madhya Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh. The right answer is Uttarakhand. Jim Corbett National Park, that is located in the Uttarakhand. Moving toward the next question, what is the four-horned antelope also known as? Chousingha, Nilgai, deer and gazelle. The right answer is Chousingha. So Chousingha is the other name of the four-horned antelope. Okay. Moving toward the next questions, so the powder of the seed of which tree is used for controlling diabetes? The powder of the seed of which tree is used for controlling the diabetes? The options are Sarpagandha, Neem, Jamun, Arjun. The right answer is Jamun. Jamun seed is used to control the diabetes. Moving toward the next question, the buds and roots of which tree are good for digestive problem? Kachnar, Jamun, Arjun, Neem. The right answer is Kachnar. So students, I hope you all must have got the full marks the questions which I have discussed. So far we have discussed 13 questions. So if anyone is missed to answer the correct answer, as you know that questions are prepared from the inside questions. So you all should prepare the questions from the you read from the inside topics of every chapter, so that it will helpful for you to get the good marks. Moving toward the next question, where are migratory birds mostly found in India? Your options are dry lands, wetlands, marshlands, and all of this. The right answer is the wetlands. Wetlands. So the migratory birds mostly found in India in the wetlands. Okay. Moving toward the next question, where can you see the flamingos in India? At a place which is covered with sand, at a place where thick vegetation is found, at a place where densely population is found, and at a place where the desert merges with the sea. So the right answer is at a place where the desert merges with the sea. So flamingos, we can see flamingos in that place where the desert merges with the sea. Correct? So moving toward the next question, which one of the following is not a bio reserve? Kaziranga, Manas, Pachmari and Sundarban. The right answer is Kaziranga is not a bio reserve. Which of the following is a bird sanctuary? Bandipur, Rajaji, Raghunath, Ranganath Thitu and Guindi. The bird sanctuary is found in the Ranganath Thitu. Okay. What is the other name of the Tibetan wilderness? Your options are Nilgai, Kyong, Chousingha, none of this. The right answer is Kyong. Next is, where are the Royal Bengal tigers found? Mangrove forest, montane forest, thorn forest, tropical evergreen forest. And the right answer is mangrove forest. So students, these are some of the important MCQ based questions of this chapter, natural vegetation and wildlife of class 9th geography. So in next video we will discuss with some more MCQ based questions of a different chapter. Thank you.